Kuma mwaka muhituku thirikari ni yarugamirie uheani wa irio kuri andu aria magumiirwo ni ng'aragu guuku bururi-ini na handu-ini hoguo ikiruguria tabarira ngurani cia kuhe family ici mbeca niguo makahota kwigurira irio.
Made the government to move from physical food distribution to cash transfer is the cost implication. You can imagine that transporting food to 23 counties, the cost of doing that would perhaps take more or less half the amount that has been allocated to buy food.
Kuringana na mwaria wa thirikari Col Cyrus Oguna, kaunti 23 no ithite nambere kugumirwo ni ng'aragu 12 hari ici ari kuria ng'aragu ihiriirie.
These 12 counties include Baringo, Garissa, Isiolo, Kilifi, Kitui, Lamu, Mandera, Marsabit, Samburu, Tana River, Turkana and Wajir.
Ona kuhanoro uguo family ici ni ciambiririe ikiamukira uteithio wa kimbeca thimu-ini ciao niguo kumahotithia kugura irio.
Now, in the month of January that ended 2 days ago, the government released 495,384,000, and this was given to 165,128 households.
Ihinda-ini riu thirikari ni rutite muigana wa ciringi mirioni 450 cia kugura mahiu maria mahatiririkite ni ng'aragu.
The other program is the ground offtake program, whereby the meat is slaughtered having been bought from the farmers, and then the meat is given back to the farmers.
Hamwe na tabarira ingi iria irathii nambere ni kwenja ithima cia mai oro undu umwe na uheani wa kigina kia basari niguo kuhura njeki aciari aria ciana ciao ire mathukuru-ini.
And so far 400 million Kenya shillings has been released as far as this fund is concerned. Now the amount that has gone to the ASAL counties is 123 million. So the total number of students that are affected across the 290 counties is 22,000 students.
Thirikari yugite no irathii nambere kugacirithia tabarira ingi arita njira ya gucaria kihonia gia gutura kuri icigo iria kaingi igumagirwo ni ng'aragu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wanduro.